Come test drive the 2018 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, remote keyless entry, fog lights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.